Good morning. My name is Nonima Digela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Ramusipile. I want us to talk about Ramusipile. Guys, who is the person that we have on the box now, on the stand, who's representing that? Because that is not the Ramusipile that we know, but a new Ramusipile, but the one that we ordered. If you get what I'm trying to say. Do you catch my drift? Because what is this? I'm not complaining. I'm happy with the new Ramusipile. But firstly, let's start over. On Tuesday, let's start on Tuesday. Okay, let's start on Tuesday with his arguments. Before we get into doing that, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment. And most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you will be supporting this channel financially and in numbers. And thank you so much for all of that. I really appreciate you. I honestly appreciate you. Now, let's talk about Oramza. Let's talk about Oramza. So on Tuesday, he did his heads of argument brilliantly. I must say, that was brilliant. Oh, he is good. Well, he is good. He is good, and he was well prepared for everything. Few things to note is that Oramsipile is not a man of nonsense. He does not take nonsense lightly. He does not take disrespect of any form lightly. He can put up with it for a certain period of time, but accepting it, that's something else. Accepting disrespect, that's something else. He can put up with it until I guess it's a situation of I want to see how far are you taking this? Like, are you honestly disrespecting me like this? Because in this particular case of Senzo Meyiwa, they've been disrespected. They've been disrespected by both the judge and the prosecutor, the senior prosecutor, Baloyi. They've been disrespected in so many ways than I care to count. So Oramsipile now is bringing a new him that we didn't know existed. We know that he has some particular places that he is extremely good. He is very good at dealing with. But when it comes to the person that he was on Tuesday and was on Wednesday, that is the new Ramusipile that we have never met. A very hurtful and tired Ramusipile of being abused, of being taken for granted, of being looked down on, of being dragged his dignity like that on national television. He is tired. That is the Ramusipile that we see now. He's pissed. He's pissed because the way he looks at Baloyi, he keeps getting shocked. I think everything that Baloyi does now, it takes him back, and he keeps thinking, I let this slide. Remember, we had an agreement about the trial within a trial when we did start, and then you shocked me, and then you did it. Now, after we had an argument, we agreed that this is what we will do. Do you remember? I think those are the things that he remembers. You remember you made a mockery of me at that time, and I was shocked, and we had to start the trial here and there, right here and there, because of you, after we had an agreement. And then he's remembering all these snake bites, one by one, and he's like, no, man, when you are really full of it. And then Mngomezulu passes away, and then Baloyi said something this year about Uguti the defense must lie on the bed and the person that he was referring to was Mngomezulu, who has lied. He is sleeping there. When I say lie, he laid there in that bed and he's never coming back. Do you understand? I think that rubbed Oramsipile in a very wrong way, because Mngomezulu has slept. So what does he mean? He must lie on the bed that he had made. That rubbed Oramsipile in a very, very wrong way. He did not like it, not one bit. He did not like it, not one bit, because ever since then, Oramsipile has become a beast of some sort. Oramsipile has become a beast of some sort, and he is not letting go. He's biting and biting and not letting go. He has no time. He doesn't play with Baloyi. He doesn't. That's this video. I just wanted to note that. This court and the prosecutors have patronized uRamsipile so much. They have patronized him so much that now he is dealing with them. He dealt with the judge yesterday and he dealt with Baloyi. He's dealing with them. He dealt with Baloyi. He dealt with the judge. He dealt with, yesterday, he dealt with the judge and this one, Sibanda. And the other day, he dealt with Baloyi. He don't have time for nonsense. He's not here for it. They've patronized him for too long and he's not having it anymore now. He's done. He's done playing any games with them. He is done. I loved it when Usbanda got up and said yesterday, this is a matter of argument. He was like, no, you cannot open a door, then enter. And then when others want to enter the same door, you close it on them. You can't. He is sick and tired and he is coming after them one by one. And then Ujad Rata was like, what Tonton is that? He was like, I'm a lawyer. I'm a lawyer. Like that for me meant, Uguti, you've been looking down on me. You think that when I light, no, uRamsipile is done. uRamsipile is done playing, is done. You heard his heads of arguments. They were proper. They were on point. He was not playing there. He did not play. He did not play with anybody. uRamsipile. He is sick and tired of it all. Like literally, he's sick and tired of it all. I'm telling you. I am telling you, uRamsipile, don't play no more now. No more. He doesn't play with nobody. I'm telling you. So one of the best things that are happening is to see him coming out of his egg shell. He is coming out. In fact, he is out. He is really, really out. So I appreciate how he come out. I pray that he's gonna stay on that game, and he's gonna, because this is the Ramsipile that we've all been looking for. This is the kind that we were looking for, and I love that he did not let anything slide. I love that. I love that he did not let anything slide. Do you understand? He did not. Because the state have been playing them. They have been. They have been playing these guys for far too long, and now they are up to here. They are up to here. So arguments as uRamsipile were on point. Even a cross-examination on Tuesday, they were on point. He dealt with a lot of issues. Well, there's nothing we can say about the judge. We all know how the judge is. Uguti, he gave the state the go-ahead. That's on him. But the arguments, they were on proper. They were on proper. He knows why he's doing that. There's nothing we can do about that when it comes to Judge Rata. We can't help him. He is who he is. He is what he is. There's nothing we can do about it. Absolutely nix. Absolutely. And the other thing that I love is that uRamsipile knows his story. He knows because he was busy yesterday educating Mr. Ndlovu of his own job. He was educating Mr. Ndlovu of his own job. Mr. Ndlovu ekhala ngo I don't know. Angazi. uRamsipile educated him on his very own job because he knows the jargons, everything. He is prepared for this kind of stuff. And I'm happy. I'm happy. And we can see now, I'm ahead of arguments with defense as about proper even after closing the case. As about proper, even if they decide that they are going to apply for Section 174, they are going to be proper. The guys, they are going to be proper, I tell you. Honestly. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to uRamsipile and the new character of him, the new thing that has come out of him? What are your thoughts when it comes? I'm appreciating it, and I'm hoping that it's going to stay there, and he's going to be that guy, because now we see he is capable, very, very much capable of doing the things. On our next video, I'm going to be talking about his cross-examination yesterday. I just wanted to highlight certain things about him and the proper arguments that he did. What are your thoughts? Thank you so much. I want to see you commenting, liking, sharing, doing all the stuff there. Go comment section. Let's talk about him. What are you feeling? How is he making you see him now? Do you have so much respect? Because you know me, I've always had a respect for Ramsipil. Let's talk. Thank you so much. I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.